Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure the individual element settings in BitForm. Let's begin. To create your first form, simply click on the Create First Form button. Choose what type of form you want to create from here. I want to create a contact form, so simply use this template. First, navigate to the Style Settings section. Here, you can easily configure the individual elements of your form. BitForm offers a highlighter icon to easily highlight and focus on specific fields within the form builder for better customization. Using the Inspect option, you have the ability to customize and personalize every element of your form to suit your own preferences. Under Text Quick Tweak section, you can easily adjust accent color, field size, theme, and border radius according to your preferences. The field container style settings in BitForm offer the flexibility to customize the appearance of individual fields, allowing you to override global styling options for a more tailored design. To add custom styles, first, enable the Override Form Theme Styles option. Then choose your preferred style options, default or hover. These settings enable you to personalize the appearance of the text field by adjusting the background color, box shadow, margins, padding, width, and border style according to your preferences. You can also customize the hover colors to suit your preferences. Click on the plus icon to add CSS style options as per your requirement. BitForm offers the flexibility to assign custom classes and custom attributes to each element of your form. Here, you can easily input your desired class name and assign the appropriate attribute according to your preferences. The label style settings in BitForm enable you to customize the appearance of individual labels, allowing you to override the global styling options. You can also personalize various style elements of your form field labels to suit your own preferences. Additionally, you have the option to add custom classes and attributes as needed. The input style settings in BitForm allow you to customize the appearance of individual input fields, giving you the ability to override global styling options for a more personalized and unique design. And you can also add custom classes and custom attributes as needed. You can also customize the error message style to suit your preferences. You can further personalize each field of your form, including email, country, multiline text, and button fields according to your own preferences. Then click on the Update button. Let's preview the form to see how your contact form will appear. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.